When you step into a minimalist apartment, the first thing you notice isn't what is there, but how the space feels. Minimalism is an architectural deep breath. It is the art of curated emptiness, where every texture and line serves a purpose. While we often obsess over sleek sofas and hidden kitchen storage, the most impactful element of a minimalist home is the one literally beneath your feet: the flooring. The floor is the largest uninterrupted surface in your apartment. It acts as the canvas for your entire interior design. In a small space, the wrong flooring can make a room feel chopped up and cluttered, while the right choice can create an effortless flow that makes 600 square feet feel like a sprawling loft. If you are looking to ground your minimalist sanctuary with style and durability, here is a guide to the top flooring choices that balance aesthetics with the practicalities of apartment living. 1. Light oak engineered hardwood, the Scandi chic standard. For many minimalists, light-colored wood is the gold standard. It's the backbone of Japandi, Japanese Scandinavian design, which prioritizes warmth and natural light. Light oak or ash wood reflects natural light rather than absorbing it. This instantly makes a small apartment feel brighter and airier. The subtle grain of oak adds just enough texture to prevent the room from feeling clinical without being visually distracting. To achieve the ultimate minimalist edge, choose wide plank boards. Fewer seams on the floor mean fewer visual breaks, which tricks the eye into seeing a larger, more continuous space. For apartment living, it is usually better to go for engineered hardwood over solid wood. It is more stable in the fluctuating humidity of apartment buildings and can be installed as a floating floor, which is often a requirement for rentals or high-rise condos. 2. Polished concrete, the industrial muse. If your minimalist style leans more toward the urban industrial or ultramodern, polished concrete is an unbeatable choice. It is the ultimate honest material, raw, durable, and unapologetic. Concrete offers a completely seamless finish. Without grout lines or board seams, the floor becomes a single, fluid plane. This is often considered the holy grail of minimalist geometry. Beyond the looks, it is virtually indestructible. For the minimalist who hates cleaning, a sealed concrete floor is a dream. A simple microfiber mop is all you need to keep it looking pristine. While concrete can feel cold, minimalists often balance this by adding a single, high-quality wool rug in a neutral tone or by utilizing underfloor radiant heating systems. 3. Luxury vinyl plank, LVP, the pragmatic minimalist's secret. There was a time when vinyl was considered a cheap alternative, but those days are long gone. Modern luxury vinyl plank, LVP, has become a favorite for apartment dwellers who want the look of high-end wood without the high-end price tag or the stress of maintenance. Minimalist living is about reducing unnecessary stress. LVP is 100% waterproof, meaning you can run the same flooring from your living room straight into your kitchen and bathroom. By using the same flooring throughout the entire apartment, you eliminate thresholds. This unbroken floor technique is the most effective way to make a small apartment feel twice as big. High-quality LVP features embossed textures, meaning the physical feel of the plank matches the visual grain of the wood, providing an authentic look with extreme durability. 4. Large format porcelain tile, architectural elegance. Tile isn't just for bathrooms anymore. Large format porcelain tiles, some as large as 24 by 48 inches, are a sophisticated choice for a high-end minimalist look. Porcelain can perfectly mimic the look of honed limestone, slate, or matte marble. These natural stone looks provide a grounded, earthy feel to a minimalist home. The secret to making tile look minimalist is the grout. By choosing a grout color that perfectly matches the tile, the lines disappear and the floor looks like a solid sheet of stone. Furthermore, a matte finish is generally preferred over gloss in minimalist design. It feels more organic, hides dust better, and doesn't create harsh light glares that can be visually fatiguing in a small space. 5. Natural cork, the sustainable alternative. For the eco-conscious minimalist, cork is a rising star. It is harvested from the bark of the cork oak tree without harming the tree itself, making it one of the most sustainable materials on Earth. Apartment living often comes with the challenge of noisy neighbors, and cork is naturally cellular and filled with air, acting as a built-in sound insulator. It softens the clack of footsteps and absorbs echoes. Minimalism can sometimes feel hard or cold, but cork provides a subtle cushion, making it comfortable for those who prefer to live closer to the floor, a common theme in Zen-inspired interiors. Cork usually comes in warm, honeyed tan or deep brown tones, providing a cozy, organic contrast to white walls and metal furniture. The essential minimalist flooring principles. Choosing the material is only half the battle. To truly master the minimalist look, keep these design principles in mind to ensure your floor enhances the space rather than detracting from it. The power of the monochrome palette. Stick to a limited color palette. If your walls are a warm white, choose a floor with warm undertones. If your walls are a cool gray, stick to gray-toned woods or concrete. When the walls and floors talk to each other in the same tonal language, the boundaries of the room seem to vanish, creating an expansive atmosphere. Avoid busy patterns. Minimalism avoids visual chatter. You should generally avoid wood species with high color variation, such as acacia or hickory, or tiles with heavy, dramatic veining. You want the floor to be a quiet background singer, not the lead vocalist. The goal is for the eye to glide across the room without getting stuck on a knot in the wood or a dark streak in the stone. Transitionless thresholds. In a traditional house, you might have different floors for every room. In a minimalist apartment, you should try to avoid this. If you must change flooring between a bedroom and a hallway, use a flush transition strip rather than a bulky, raised one. The smoother the transition, the more elegant and spacious the home feels. Conclusion. Investing in the foundation. In a minimalist lifestyle, we are taught to buy less but buy better. This philosophy applies perfectly to flooring. Because you have less furniture and fewer decorations to hide behind, the quality of your floor is on full display. It is the foundation upon which your entire aesthetic is built. Whether you choose the warmth of light oak, the modern edge of polished concrete, or the eco-friendly comfort of cork, remember that your floor is the soul of your apartment. It dictates the light, the sound, and the energy of your space. By choosing a material that is durable, visually quiet, and consistent throughout your home, you aren't just picking a floor.